A singular matrix. A singular matrix is a matrix whose determinant is 0. So if a matrix has a 0 determinant, it means that that kind of a matrix is a singular matrix. So this means that a singular matrix can't have an inverse. Why? Because we learned that to find an inverse of any matrix, okay, and any inverse of any matrix, we say 1 over its determinant. Okay, then multiplied by its adjoint, the adjoint of the same matrix. Okay, now if the determinant is 0, then we're going to have 1 divided by 0. The answer is undefined. Then the undefined answer multiplied by the adjoint, it is not possible to find the answer. So a singular matrix does not have an inverse. It's not possible to find the inverse because the determinant of a singular matrix is 0. Now, we have questions here. Question number 1 says, show that this matrix is a singular matrix. If you are showing this one as a singular matrix, meaning you are finding, okay, you are finding the determinant, you are proving that the determinant of this matrix is equal to 0. So, question number 1. So we are going to have determinant of that matrix is AD minus BC. What is our A? Our A is 4 multiplied by 5, then minus 2 multiplied by 10. So we are going to have 20 minus 20. So and the final answer will be 0. So this is the answer. Then we go to question number 2. Question number 2 says, find the value of P for which the matrix, this matrix is a singular matrix. So you are going to say the determinant of A is equal to AD minus BC. So now we are finding the value of P given that the matrix A is a singular matrix. So this means that this one will be, what is our A? Our A is P minus 2. Okay, these are being multiplied by P, then minus 3 multiplied by 5. Then we are going to say is equal to 0. Why equal to 0? Because it is a singular matrix. So this multiplied by this one, we are going to have P squared, then minus 2P, then minus 15 is equal to 0. So now, when you are finding the value of P, you are solving it. Because the question is saying find the value of P. So when you are solving this one, you can either say product, your product is negative 15. Our sum will be negative 2. Then 2 numbers, which are the factors, 2 numbers, it will be 5 and 3. Which one will be negative? We are going to have negative 5. Because negative 5 plus 3, we get negative 2. But negative 5 multiplied by 3, you get negative 15. So now we are going to have P squared minus 5P plus 3P minus 15 is equal to 0. So we are going to have P outside, we're going to have P minus 5. Okay, we are factorizing this one. Then I'm going to say plus 3, open bracket, P minus 5, okay, is equals to 0. So now we factorize these things, these separate, since the ones in brackets are the same. So we are going to have P plus 3, then the other one will be P minus 5 is equal to 0. So therefore, we are going to say P plus 3 is equal to 0, or, okay, P minus 5 is equal to 0. So the values of P will be negative 3, because if this one goes at this side, you're going to have 0 minus 3. The answer is negative 3. Then or P is equal to 5, because if this one goes to the other side, it will be a positive 5. So we end here, and thank you so much. Let's have another lesson in the next video. Thank you so much.